Welcome, today in front of me Sony Xperia Z5 Premium, and I'll show you how to change notification sound on this device. So to do that, you just should go first into the settings application and then scroll down to the sound section here. Now just scroll a little bit more down to the notification sound section. Here we got selected the Allegro one, as can you see, and we can switch our notification sound to the another sound. As can you see, we got here a lot of different sounds, or also by here plus tap to this plus, you can here add your own notification sound, so download it from the internet, for example. But about it, how to set up the custom notification sound on your device, you can find in our another video on our channel. So I'll just show you how to change your default notification sound. So for example, we'll go with the Polaris, and now just tap here to done, and as can you see, we just successfully changed our notification sound to the another one. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.